Congratulations on being accepted into our affiliate program. I just wanted to give you a rundown on exactly how do I start making money by using this program. And as you know, in your account you'll see the My Affiliate account widget. And the affiliate link that you can share across your social platform or blog would be this. You'll have a personal URL, and this is how we can keep track of your sales for you and your commissions. So if you just copy the URL, you simply paste it into your social media. You can direct your social network to our website. And if a customer selects an item and checks out, this will record the commissions for you. And you can also drive a customer to a particular product by searching for the item here. For example, Juno wig. And you can just copy it onto the clipboard. And you can paste it here. You can track how many clicks you've had all here and what kind of commissions you're earning here as well. You can create different campaigns. For example, if you had a lace wig or a Facebook campaign, you can use this tool to see, and then you can use this URL for, say, your Facebook page. So at the end, you can see where all your traffic is coming from if you wanted to have it broken down. How many are coming from like a Facebook campaign. And of course you would use this URL for that. You can also call it like a code, like BG. Some people don't want to. Okay, so hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us. Thank you.